Want to take payments anywhere but think you're stuck with Stripe or PayPal? There are better mobile options for creators. This quick search shows there are multiple ways to accept payments on the go without relying on Stripe or PayPal. You can see providers offering mobile card readers and app based solutions that let you process sales anywhere. Even if you're just browsing examples, it gives you an idea of what's possible. EasyPay Direct integrates with mobile payment solutions, so you can take payments on the go without being tied to Stripe or PayPal. Plus, you get features like hosted checkout, transaction routing, and decline recovery, making it easy to manage your business from anywhere. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out today to see how mobile payments can work for your business. Whether you are at a coffee shop, a workshop, or a client meeting, EasyPay Direct makes it easy to accept payments anywhere. Just click the link in the description and fill out the quick form to get started.